Schedules may be required if certain actions, routines, must be done regularly at a certain time. To create a schedule, go to the Schedules tab in the config and press plus. Enter the name of your schedule. I'll write the name Greenhouse. I heard about such a schedule in a restaurant that had a large greenhouse, and every morning plants were automatically watered. Next, you create an event, the time when this schedule starts and the time when the schedule ends. Press Add Event button. Enter the name of the event, for example, morning watering. Then select when this event must start. Press Start and select the start date. Then select time. You can select a certain time as well as sunrise, noon, sunset. It works only if you have a server in your project. You do not have to edit now, you can edit later, but you must enter the coordinates of your server. To do it, I won't create an event now. I'll go back and find location in the General tab. Press it. If you do it on a smartphone and geolocation is on, the coordinates are automatically offered here and you can select them. I don't have it on a PC. I simply find coordinates in the internet and enter latitude and longitude coordinates manually. After a server is added to the project, schedules connected to sunrise and sunset can be used. Let's continue creating a schedule. Let's add an event again. Let's select the start of watering. Let it be this way. Now let's select when the schedule must end. Thus, the plants will be watered in the period between the start and the end. Press Ready and again Ready. Next, you are to set repetition. This is how often the schedule must be activated. Let's select every day. You can also select every week. If it is Friday today, it means that the schedule will be activated every Friday. If you select every month, it means that the schedule will be activated once a month. Every year means that the schedule will be repeated once a year. You can select Custom and set any variant of repetition that you want. As you see, there are many settings here, so you can set a flexible schedule. In our case, let it be a repetition every day and the schedule will never stop. Thus, plants will be watered every day. Let's leave this event. Next, if you want the schedule to work several times, that is, you want to water plants, for example, twice a day, you can create here one more event with a different time period. Or you can create any other event, but it will have the name Greenhouse. And in this case, we create a routine for the start of a schedule and a routine for the end of the schedule. And the schedule will be activated 2 times a day. You can edit a schedule here. For example, you can delete an event, you can delete the whole schedule, you can change the name and other settings. After a schedule is created, you must go to the Routines tab and create a routine for the start of the schedule and for the end. Or you can use a schedule in Routines as an additional event. For example, to do a certain action only if the schedule is inactive.